In this video, we'll show you how to install D5 Render for SketchUp. First, visit the official D5 Render website and download the software. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install D5 Render on your computer. Next, return to the D5 Render website and download the D5 converter for SketchUp. Open SketchUp, go to the Window menu and select Extension Manager. Then, click on Install Extension and choose the downloaded RBZ file. Once installed, you'll see the D5 icon in SketchUp's toolbar. To finish, open your SketchUp project and click the D5 icon. Then, select the project folder to sync your SketchUp model with D5 Render. And that's how you install D5 Render for SketchUp. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.